Okay, we're going to try and pair the Bluetooth to my Scanmaster gauge. It's powered up and waiting, so should just be able to click on the Bluetooth here. This is Windows 7, by the way. Show Bluetooth devices. And we don't currently have any paired. I'm going to add a device. So I'm going to search for it, and it finds it. Sometimes the Scanmaster name takes a second to show up, but it should. So we're going to pick it. We're going to click Next. We're going to tell it, we're going to give it a pairing code, which is 1234 for the Scanmasters. Click Next. And it starts installing, as you can see down there. So if we go and we click on this, we can watch it install, and it takes a while. Don't know why, it's a Windows thing. But you can watch here and see what port it assigns. The top one is generally the one we wind up using. It says COM6, so that will be the one. This is a Dell laptop, and its internal Bluetooth is problematic. It's a thing with the Dells. I don't know why. So I have a small Bluetooth dongle inserted down here, and I actually turned off the Dell Bluetooth, and I'm just using this. So if you have problems with your Dell, you can use one of these generic little gizmos, and it works just fine. So we're still waiting for that second one to install. Go get some lunch, you know, do some errands, come back, it should be done. But we'll go ahead and wait just to see. Usually the port numbers are sequential. On my machine I have so many ports installed and then deinstalled and then reinstalled from messing around with this stuff that sometimes they get separated by a couple of numbers. Not really a big deal. Hopefully this video will come out okay. Still waiting. Not sure why Windows takes this long, since it installed the first one fairly quickly. And I've clicked on the link that says skip obtaining these driver files, that blue link there. And that seems to confuse things, so I've sort of learned to just let it finish doing its thing. Patience is certainly a virtue when doing this. Anyway, once this is done, you don't have to do it anymore. This simply assigns the port numbers to the Bluetooth device. And the port number always exists in Device Manager once you do this. But if the gauge isn't powered up, the software simply won't be able to open the port. Okay, so the second one assigned to COM10, and like I said, not sequential in my case, will probably be sequential in your case. So you can click close and close, and we have Scanmaster here. And you can rename it here. I usually do, because I usually have a couple of these things bouncing around here, and I want them all named something different. And this is just the name within Windows. It doesn't change anything within the gauge. So anyway, that's that.